Welcome to 2 Minutes About, where today we journey back to the medieval era to explore the strange and fascinating world of medieval medicine. Brace yourself for some truly bizarre practices and little-known facts. Did you know that bloodletting was one of the most common medical procedures during medieval times? Physicians believed that illnesses were caused by an imbalance of the body's four humors: black bile, yellow bile, phlegm, and blood. And draining blood was thought to restore this balance. It sounds scary, but it was widely accepted and practiced. Ever heard of trepanation? This was the practice of drilling a hole into the skull to treat conditions like epilepsy and mental disorders. It might sound like something out of a horror movie, but it was fairly common. How about this? Just like today, doctors would examine a patient's urine to diagnose diseases. They analyzed the color, smell, and taste. Yes, even the taste. It was believed that urine held clues to what was going on inside the body. Herbal remedies were at the heart of medieval medicine. Physicians relied heavily on plants like willow bark for pain relief and garlic for infections. Monasteries often had dedicated herb gardens where monks grew these medicinal plants. Medieval medicine even had a cosmic twist. The zodiac man was a popular tool, showing how the body was connected to the stars. Doctors used it to determine the best times for treatments, such as bloodletting, based on the alignment of the planets. Hospitals in medieval times were often run by religious orders and focused on spiritual healing as much as physical care. Monks and nuns provided basic care, while prayer was seen as an essential part of the healing process. Believe it or not, many surgeons in medieval times were also barbers. These barber surgeons performed tasks like bloodletting, tooth extractions, and amputations. The iconic red and white barber pole actually symbolizes the blood and bandages associated with this dual profession. During the plague epidemic, also called the Black Death, cities like Venice implemented early forms of public health measures, such as quarantine and sanitation rules, to combat the spread of the disease. Sound familiar? It's fascinating to look at how far we've come. Medieval medicine was a mix of superstition, limited scientific knowledge, and practical experience. If you're intrigued by these bizarre practices, there's so much more to discover about the medieval world. For more videos about famous and notable people, places, events, inventions, or pretty much anything we find interesting, and think you will too, please like and subscribe. See you next time on 2 Minutes About.